This Wednesday, our Stage 0 solar radiation map yet again showing peak performance on your solar panels in the shade of red over the western areas of South Africa, but a poor PV harvest in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as in the shade of blue and purple over the central parts of South Africa and in parts of Gauteng, which is an indication of cloud blocking the sun. So let's see where you can expect rain with that cloud. Let's start with our accumulated rainfall model for the next 2 days. Finally showing much needed rain expected over eastern South Africa after an almost week-long mainly dry conditions. If we take it all the way to Thursday night, we are picking up these pink dots over the extreme southern areas of Gauteng, the Free State, the bordering areas in Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, which is an indication of about 50 millimeters likely in those areas for the next 2 days. Our rainfall probability map for Wednesday showing that you can expect showers in the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, and then thunderstorms becoming scattered here over parts of the Free State, widespread over the eastern areas, as well as stormy conditions likely over the southern parts of Gauteng, as well as parts of Mpumalanga and the northwestern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. That's also where the South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe storms, which could lead to large amounts of small hail, damage and winds, or a quick heavy downpour on Wednesday from the afternoon as those storms move over those areas. A wind forecast map showing a southeasterly wind blowing fresh to strong at times in Cape Town, windy conditions over large parts of South Africa, especially over the northeastern areas, and also a strong easterly to northeasterly wind picking up along the coast of the southern as well as the Eastern Cape. Here in the Western Cape, lots of sunshine and quickly heating up the afternoon. Temperatures soaring to the mid-30s in the Swartland as well as the Boerlands. Sunny and hot in Cape Town with a high 30 degrees, but windy conditions at times. But it's much cooler along the coast with temperatures expected in the lower 20s. Partly cloudy skies at times with also a fresh to strong easterly wind blowing all the way from Nelson Mandela Bay as well as along the Garden Route. In the Eastern Cape, that onshore flow is still pushing in lots of cloud. It's windy along the coast with later a strong northeasterly wind blowing between Port St. John's and East London, remaining quite chilly with maximum temperatures in some areas below 20 degrees. Lots of cloud in KwaZulu-Natal with an onshore flow and scattered showers expected on and off on Wednesday with thunderstorms later over Ladysmith, Newcastle and Vryheid. In Mpumalanga, it's a cooler day and cloudy in the Lowvelds, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast and becoming widespread over Secunda and Standerton. That's also where the South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe storms on Wednesday from the afternoon. A much cooler day for Limpopo with lots of cloud in the morning and light showers over the eastern areas, but later the northeasterly wind picking up in the bushvelds, gusting at times with temperatures above 30 degrees. That northerly wind also picking up ahead of isolated thunderstorms likely in parts of northwest on Wednesday. In the Northern Cape, later becoming windy, especially in the vicinity of De Aar and Kamiesberg. There, the South African Weather Service has issued a level 1 warning for the possibility of a damage in winds. The wind also picking up in the Free State ahead of isolated storms over the interior, becoming scattered to widespread over the eastern areas. Over the vicinity of Bethlehem, Vicksburg and Harrismith, the Weather Service warning against the possibility of hail as well as a quick heavy downpour. Only isolated storms likely over the northern areas of Gauteng. It's going to be a windy afternoon ahead of thunderstorms, but becoming scattered to widespread over the southern areas. So severe storms likely in the vicinity of Vereniging on Wednesday from late afternoon. Overnight into Thursday, a band of showers and thunderstorms will move over the northeastern areas of South Africa, where it's also much cooler. Temperatures now in the mid-20s for Gauteng, as well as parts of the Free State. And then on Friday, we've got a weak cold front sliding over the coast, bringing cooler conditions for the Western Cape and light rain along the southern coastline. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go, and compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.